now Star Health, the once leading insurance company, is losing market share to its peers. Why exactly is that happening? Yash joins it to tell us.
Well, Wanglam, for quite some time now, about 2 years, Star's growth has been underperforming the standalone health insurance industry. But that's not the only concern for Star Health Insurance. We've collated some numbers, some data to exactly show that Star Health Insurance has been leading meaningful, rather losing meaningful amount of market share, both as far as the total business is concerned, that is individual plus group, and separately individual business that it does. The assessment period which I've taken here for Star Health Insurance is 2 years, that is between March 2022 to February 2024. Star Health has lost about 1000 basis points or 10% market share to its peers amongst the standalone health insurance category. This market share was at 54.9% in March 2022. It's come down to about 45.53% in February 2024. Now in the same period, standalone health insurance as a sector has gained market share of 148 basis points. This shows that Star Health has failed to capitalize on this increasing market share which its industry is doing. Not just that, it's lost its existing market share also to its contemporary, to its peers in the sector. Now, if you shorten this particular period to just about 1 year, that is March 2023 to February 2024, here also Star has lost about 400 basis points market share to its peers. And the same story again, the sector that it operates in, standalone health insurance company, that industry has gained market share by about 73 basis points in the last 1 year. Now, Star has been constantly telling us that they are focusing on the retail business, exiting the group business. So it's quite natural that the overall market share is bound to come down. But that also means that its market share in the retail business should increase. Is that happening? The answer is no. There are numbers to support that as well. Again, taking a 2-year assessment period, February 2022 to 2024, Star has lost market share of 540 basis points among standalone health insurance industry. Its share has slipped from 64.4% to 59% in this period. At the same time, the industry has gained market share of about 550 basis points. The same story repeats, failed to capitalize on the industry's growing market share, also losing its own market share. In the same period, that is in the retail health business, Care has gained market share by about 233 basis points. Niva has gained market share of about 265 basis points. If I shorten the assessment period in the retail health insurance business where Star's focus lies, it has again lost market share of about 3.5 basis points in the last 1 year. That market share has slipped to about 59% from 62.5%. In the same period, the industry has gained up market share by about 220 basis points. This is the big concern for Star Health Insurance.
Okay, all right, point taken. Thanks, Yash, for joining in and giving us that perspective. But let's